gentlemen of the jury, March 15, 2007 began just like any other day for my client, Dolores Dixon, a mother of 3. She made breakfast for her children, packed their lunch, kissed them each goodbye, and said have a good day at school. But nobody told her to beware the Ides of March, and by the end of that day, Dolores was lying in intensive care, barely hanging on to life, all as a result of a brutal and vicious beating at the hands of a purse snatcher. Were you the HR director when Hampton Industries hired an employee named Sidney Riley?
Yes, I was.
Now, in this case, you understand that the criminal database check relied on by Hampton Industries showed that Mr. Riley had no criminal record, when in fact he had a serious criminal record for multiple violent crimes.
We now understand that to be the case, but at the time we thought that what we were doing was more than adequate.
You're aware also that this hiring decision resulted in my client being robbed by one of your employees and severely beaten when she tried to protect herself, all while on Hampton Industries property.
Again, I am terribly sorry for what happened. Really, I am. But we thought we were doing all of this the right way.
Please call your next witness, counsel.
Your Honor, for my next witness, I call Lester Rosen. Have you testified as an expert witness on background checks and safe hiring practices?
Yes, in Superior Courts in California, Florida, and Arkansas.
You're aware that Hampton Industries used a national criminal database in their screening process. In your opinion, what is the value of this?
These databases are a valuable secondary source that can access millions of criminal records. However, there are many potential areas of errors when it comes to these databases. They're based upon data that is purchased by private firms, and they are not official FBI records.
Have you formed an opinion as to whether Hampton Industries exercised due diligence in the hiring of Mr. Riley?
In my view, Hampton Industries failed to exercise due diligence and use reasonable care in a number of significant ways. Just because some firms choose to take shortcuts does not mean they are exercising due diligence. And Hampton Industries certainly failed to meet the standard of due diligence in this case.